Hello, today's topic? At a wedding.
Isn't the bride beautiful?
Yes, she looks stunning in her gown.
The groom looks handsome too.
Indeed, they make a lovely couple.
I wonder where they'll honeymoon.
Probably somewhere exotic and romantic.
I hope they have a wonderful time.
Me too. Weddings are so special.
Yes, they're full of love and happiness.
Do you know how they met?
They met in college, I believe.
That's sweet. Do you like weddings?
I do. It's nice to celebrate love.
Agreed. Plus, the food is usually great.
Definitely. I can't wait for dinner.
What's your favorite part of weddings?
I love watching the first dance.
Yes, it's always so romantic.
And the cake cutting is fun too.
True. Are you catching the bouquet?
No, I'm not that superstitious.
Fair enough. Do you know the groom well?
Yes, we used to work together.
That's nice. Have you been to many weddings?
A few, but each one is special.
Indeed. Well, let's enjoy the festivities.
Absolutely. Cheers to the happy couple.
Vocabulary.
Bride. Beautiful. Stunning. Groom. Handsome. Couple. Honeymoon. Romantic. Wonderful. Wedding. Love. Happiness. Sweet. Celebrate. Food. Dinner. Dance. Romantic. Cake. Bouquet.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.